We are so blessed and very thankful that you have chosen Benguet Special Education Center as the recipient of your generosity na Centum Realty Corporation. We cannot thank you enough for your goodness, and we are hoping and praying that more blessings to come.
So together with Nacentum, we want to build this with these children here today and give them the happiness that becomes an inspiration for them to build a brighter future. Yun lang po. Thank you.
This effort is part of Nacentum's mission, which is rebuilding dreams for every new hope. This reflects our collective dedication on enhancing our students' learning and play experience. Your unwavering commitment has made this project possible, creating a joy and safe environment for our students. This swing is more than just a play area. It's a symbol of our community's unity and compassion. We would like to extend our gratitude to Mountain Province's Mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Children's Ministries and all its contributors. Your collaboration and generosity have been pivotal in this achievement. We would like to thank everyone who was part of this project.
Swinging stimulates multiple areas of a child's brain at once, fostering the growth of abilities like spatial perception, equilibrium, coordination, and muscle regulation. Moreover, spending tranquil moments on a swing aids in the modulation of senses, enabling the ability to adapt different sensory perceptions. So, ganun po, may scientific effect on us pala yung swing, hindi lang yung light feeling na back and forth, back and forth.
Thank you so much po. My words aren't going to be enough to be able to express the gratitude and thankfulness that we have as a school for donating this wonderful swing set to us. Thank you so much po for donating this to us. This would surely be useful for us, especially during our breaks. This will surely add joy to my adding's childhood and ours. My addings and us will surely enjoy and form wonderful memories while swinging. Once again, thank you so much po!
Very excited actually yung mga bata. Every morning they come to the office, they embrace me and said, "Thank you, Principal Regina, for constructing the swing and the monkey bars." Because at the other side of this building, we have also monkey bars. And a part of that came from your donation. Because the painting of that came from your donation.